we all came to work. We lived together with God in His Word. He helped His children progress, but Benham meant so much more than the rest. He was greater than us all. Then Father offered a bed, hitching us up with a way to return again. But this required a spotless man, one who'd be worthy to free us from sin. Someone greater than us all. In God's most humble Son was the greatest one of all. We looked on Him, God's best Son. Would He give His great life for us, pay the price for all our sins? And knowing no other could, He humbly said He would. He was great.